Greetings viewers, just to show an update on my new DIY quiet target and also foldable shelf for the target. Okay, so I'll just pan you down a bit. There's the shelf. Okay, now the target itself is basically an A4 box full of old towels, really compacted, that lasts a long time. I'll just get this out of the way. Oh, and I've just made some holes there so you can put the clips in. Yeah. And then you've got my new, bring you closer. Okay. Sorry. There you go. Just two hinges. This is two pieces of wood I put together. You'll see it in a minute. And up here is the actual holding mechanism. So this is how it works. Just fold it up. How about that? And it's out of the way. So as I said, these were two pieces of wood from an old cabinet just lying around in the garage, and I just put them two there. See, this has been shot a lot of times, and yeah, so when I need to shoot, how about that? Plus with the quiet target thing. Yeah, so quick update there, guys. Enjoying your videos still. Have a nice weekend. Until next time, thank you for watching. Goodbye.